Okay, we are in 3XO now. This is Revex model. Okay, we have an excellent feature in 3XO. So before you give your vehicle to the valet or valet parking, you just need to activate the valet. Let's see how to set up the valet here. See, this saves, actually you will get notified when the valet driver drives more than 80 kilometer per hour, and if he exceeds a 5 kilometer radius, you will get notified in your mobile, and this one locks the infotainment system. Okay, so how do you activate this? How do you set it? First, go here and select Valet Mode, and the initial setup is like, I'm just going to set up an initial one. So 1 2 3 4, this is the first time setting up the Valet Mode. So after this, you action record, you have to set a new pin. Okay, so click OK and set a new pin. Okay, I'm gonna hide setting up the pin, so just be online. So click save. New pin been saved successfully. So you have to do the activate Valet Mode. So when you activate Valet Mode, it will lock, see, it will lock all the infotainment system, and if you want to exit, click exit, and you need to enter a pin. Okay, okay, I'm going to hide it and give OK. It got unlocked. Simple. Okay, make sure when you give your vehicle to the valet parking, lock your infotainment system, and also this helps you to save a lot of other features. It won't exceed 80 kilometer fast, and then you will get notified if the driver exceeds around 5 kilometer radius. I think so. I think it is 5 kilometer radius. If he exceeds more than that, you will get notified in your mobile. Okay, it's an excellent feature. Don't miss it. And this is a Revex model 3XO, and this is Revex A automatic model. But this Valet Mode is available in all 3XO model. Okay, thanks a lot.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day.